This video is the last video of our GATE Psychology Preparation Complete Guide, and if you have watched from video number 1st to video number 10, you just need to do the practice whatever has been told in all these video, and you will score a good score in GATE Psychology, and you will easily can get admission in IITs and do the PhDs and all that. Alright. So in this video we are going to talk about the application form, how it is, what is the fees and all that. Just the basic general knowledge that you need to do about this examination, and we will completely rely on what? We will rely completely on our common sense because we are having this information brochure and all right. So let's look over here and see highlights of GATE 2025 is, and likewise for 2026 as well. Conducted by whom? Okay, it's fine. So this is dates of examination: 1st, 2nd, 15th and 16th February 2025. So assume that your examination will fall most probably over here. 85% your examination will be conducted in this session, 15th and 16th February. The exam will be held in two sessions, forenoon and afternoon on these dates. Alright, okay. Gate 2025 is a CBT, okay. MCQ, MSQ that has already been told, okay. And then let's look over here. Important dates are, examination dates are as 1st, 2nd, 15th and 16th of February 2025. So you have approximately 3 plus 2, 5 months from here for the examination. Opening date is this, closing date is just nearing about, and just September 26, 2024. So make sure that if you have not yet applied, make sure that you applied the form as well. September 26 is the last date, and the closing date with late fee will be this thing October 7. So make sure that you do not pay the extended fee, okay. And announcement of result is on March 19. So see, just look, why you should give this examination is how precisely they have mentioned each and everything. February 16 you will be giving the examination, March 19 you will be having the result. So no wait like NTA and all other institutes and all other what we can say the conducting agency, that you have to wait immense amount of time. You don't have any idea about when it is going to come. So this is a good thing. March 19 will be the result will be out, and application fees is approximately 900, and other candidate 1800 and all these things. So whichever category gender you are belonging, you can do this thing and you can apply, and this all we have already talked. So there is nothing apart from this as far as this is concerned. And you can check from here as well. Gate online application process is given there. Apply for the examination. All right, upload photograph, signature and other documents and category certificate if you are eligible. Pay the application fee through any of the electronic payment method. Check the status of application: received, under scrutiny, accepted, defective, status after rectification, rejected, admit card ready for download. All these status will be updated for you as you fill the form. Then what you do, next step: download admit card, view answer, mark gate score, download gate score, and that is all. There is nothing different. And make sure that the address and mobile number is registered with one email ID only, that you don't miss on the important information, and rest all is same. You can just Google it. I mean, you can just search on YouTube how to fill the form if you don't know, but you should ideally be knowing how to fill the form, because that much English you need to know for clearing the GATE 2025 examination. All right, okay. And that ID proof and all that, it is so simple thing. So with this we will end this series, we will end this video about how you need to fill the form. Not to wear the sunglasses like this ma'am, and rest all is the signature. You can check all these things from the information brochure. What you need to do is you just need to go to the website, download it from there. In the download section everything will be available for you, and that is completely free. Alright, and you can check the design of questions from here as well. These are the MCQ, MSQ and whatever it is, and marking scheme is given. So you don't need to worry. See, general aptitude carrying total 15 marks, section B1 reasoning and comprehension compulsory for all of you. So you can read this as well. And see here. Each of the optional sections of the XH paper, section C1 through C6, that is our C5, contains 39 questions. How many questions? 39 questions, carrying a total of 60 marks. 60 marks of your 39 questions. 18 questions carrying 1 mark, and then and this. Alright, so 60 marks of psychology. You need to do it properly. Okay. If you do these 60 marks, approximately 40-45 you can score easily from the things mentioned above, below, and after that you just need to do general section, a little bit of that, and you will be easily getting high score in gate examination 2025-2026, right? Okay, with this we will end this video. I hope you like the video, and if you don't like the video, make sure that you join the subscribe the channel and join the telegram channel as well. Okay, and gate 2025 will be announced on the gate 2025 website, so we will update that also once it is out, and it will be valid for 3 years. So for 3 years you have the liberty to do IIT PhD from any of the IITs. Scorecard will be available from 20th of March to 31st of May and all this, but for that you need to score good in gate psychology examination, so that you will be eager to check your scorecard and answer key and your result. Alright, so all the best to all of you who are giving in 2025, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, whichever year you are giving this. If you are finding this video, make sure that you watch from video number 1st to video number 10 in the playlist section given in the description. If you have not yet downloaded the desired books, make sure that you join the telegram channel. If you have not ordered the books, make sure you check the link given below in the description if you want physical things. And if you have not yet downloaded the pyqs, go to the website. Everything is available there for free of cost. Alright, so you don't need to rely on anyone. Be your own boss and just do the self study completely, and you can easily achieve greater heights in future. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Good night. See you all soon.